Maureen Oldham, and I would like to share with you a very favorite recipe that I have for cheesecake. It's one that I used when I started my cheesecake business several years ago. And it is a creamy textured cheesecake. One of the things that I recommend is to preheat the oven to about 400 degrees first, and make sure you use a pan or glass pan of water. Put on the bottom tray of your oven first. And what that does is basically release enough moisture for your cheesecake, and it will help it avoid cracking while it bakes. What you need to do is have 2 pounds, 4 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, and blend it with about 1 1/4 cups of sugar till it's nice and smooth. An electric mixer really works best. Once you do that, you're going to add about a cup of sour cream, a teaspoon of vanilla, and add to that also about a 1/2 cup of half and half. And blend these ingredients one at a time until it really creates a smooth mixture. Then you're finally going to blend in 5 egg yolks at room temperature, and you're just going to beat them slightly just as each one of them falls into the mixing bowl. And you don't want to overbeat the eggs because it will create too much air in your batter. Once this is all mixed, you just take it and put it into your prepared crust that has already been prepared in the spring form pan. And I usually use a 9 or 10-inch spring form pan for this much batter. Basically, my preference is a shortbread crust, and it's one that I prefer over graham cracker. It is much more time consuming and it uses some really rich ingredients, including butter and eggs again. But it really gives this cheesecake the best overall taste. And if you really want to impress your company with a wonderful cheesecake for dinner, I recommend you try this recipe. Bon appetit!